everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Okay, so day by day, as we are working on our spoken language, this is the time when we have to give our best of best efforts into learning journey. And because might be so many people are not able to speak fluently, I am one of them. And the reason behind it, I just don't push myself to come in the discomfort, and I just like to be in the comfortable zone. I just don't want to leave the comfort. I just want to live in that. And that's the reason I'm not able to improve my language. So that's I today know about this, like what is the reason, why am I not able to speak fluently, what are the causes behind it. So yeah, other than that, in today's time, like overall time which I've spent today, I just wasted, or I can say I have not used that time in productivity, because I was spending my whole day with my little cutie children in my home, and they were literally making lots of naughty things, and they were doing lots of noise also. We were playing also, we were spending time together. But I just want to say that I have not studied today. So while I was playing with the children and I was not doing studies, but what are, like, what we can do so that we can use our time while spending time with the family. So I have started watching educational videos related to the English only. For example, you will be like making fun of me while watching this video, but the reason I started watching those videos was I was thinking about what should I learn, because I am working and I am focusing on how to speak, how to express yourself, how to put your thoughts in front of the so many people. But what about our knowledge? If we don't know that what we called something in our different places. See, I'm a girl who've never went to, like, in flight or in, like, Starbucks or in McDonald's, but I should have knowledge like how to order few things, how to get that, and how to call someone, and what are the things what we can say and call them. So yeah, this is very important, and these kind of videos are called educational videos, where we get the information related, and so many knowledgeable things which we can grab from those videos. So yeah, today I watched this kind of video. This is funny thing which I just want to share with you, and I also find it very funny because my mother was also laughing at me at that point of time, and they were literally making fun of me, like what she is doing. She is not able to go outside. She is very introvert. Other than that, she don't know how to spend money and where to spend money, and she is watching such kind of videos which are of no use for now for to her for me. So yeah, they were laughing at me, and I was just calling out so many things which I was like getting from the video, and I was just repeating them almost 4 to 5 times so that I can, like, remind myself that yeah, I've heard it before and I know something related to this word. So they were laughing at me, and I was just like, oh yeah, this is the truth. I do not have that much money that I can spend on such things and I can visit this place, but still I'm learning about these things. I was also very surprised that why am I watching these kind of videos, and what are the benefit of watching these. Then I thought that this is important, you should have knowledge of such things. Now the second funny part which I have done today, and I was literally embarrassed at that point of time, just because everyone who was listening all the rubbish thing which I was repeating again and again, they were laughing at me, and I was like, okay, laugh at me now, after some time I'll show you that I'm living this life. And I don't know why, but I just said it so that they can stop laughing at me. And I was hoping also, like, I did my cross finger that God, please listen to my these words, and just make all these words in real. And yeah, I'm working hard, bro. I don't know when will I get results, and I'm not depending on the results, but I am enjoying my journey. Okay, so self improvement and working on your career and try to find the source of earning money. These are the things which we can, like, try to, like, add in our life, and that's how we will take that financial independence, and that's how we will learn that that's how we will live our luxurious life. And I just want to say that this we deserve these things, these everything which are existing in our surrounding, and we are seeing that, like watching everyone that they are going and taking the fun of everything, they are enjoying every luxury. Then when will we do these things? And our time is going and it is decreasing day by day, and we don't know when will this thing happen to us in real. And I know that this sounds very odd and awkward for, like, I'm not doing anything. If someone is watching this video will be like, might be making fun of me, but I know this reality that until I will not think about these things, I will not get these things. Until I will not get the inside of such things, I will never be able to get into such things, and I'll never get the fun and I'll never get the enjoyment out of these things. So I just want to say that if you want to live such kind of life on your own expenses, like on your like I just want to say that without taking money from your parents, if you are going for the first time to live such kind of things, like for the first time you've earned money. For example, I'm giving you an example. You've earned almost 3000 rupees per month. For example, your first salary is 3000 rupees. What can you do something different, and you can enjoy that first salary so that you can remember and make it a memory for your whole life, that what I have done with my first salary. You either you can give it to your parents, but you can use it in another way. You can buy anything for your parents, and other than you can gift something to yourself. For example, like instead of gifting something to yourself, what you can do, you can live such things which you've never ever experienced. For example, you can go for such kind of things which you've never taken like as a fun. For example, you can go for swimming, you can join any classes of swimming. This is some kind of thing which you can do with your first salary, and you will remember all your life, throughout all your life, that what I've done. And that thing was very much important, and that thing was काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. आपने अपने पैसों को इन्वेस्ट किया उस चीज़ में, और आपने स्विमिंग सीख ली फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है. एंड आप पूरी ज़िंदगी भर के लिए स्विमिंग सीख गए हो, ठीक है. तो ये चीज़ रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इसका बहुत ज़्यादा रहा. आपने पूरी लाइफ स्विमिंग को इंजॉय किया विद द फर्स्ट सैलरी. हाँ, आप थोड़ा ऐड कर सकते हो उसमें, 2 महीने की सैलरी ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से दैट. Also, I have watched video related to mall. Like if you are going into the mall, we like I have already visited the mall, but I do not know the what we called different things in the mall. I'm just giving you an example that this time when I watched everything, I just tried that. Yeah, I am familiar with those things, but after some time I will watch those videos again, and I will try to learn and memorize everything which I have studied today about such things. And I am telling you that this is very much important, because I have already visited the mall, but I didn't know that what it is called, what anything is called. I was just watching everything for the first time. I was seeing everything with a very curious thing. Like I was just very much curious about like how it looks like. And this happens when you are going for the first time to see something. So yeah, I just want to say that you should know about such things. Nobody is going to ask you that what it is called. Nobody is going to take your test, and it is just for your knowledge, for your education. And this is very important. You should have knowledge. Like this is very much important. I just want to say that. And if you know about such things, you will have that confidence while going there, that I know everything here, what it is, on which floor, what are there, how we can like guide someone who don't know like what it is there, and you can tell that person or express like what are these things called and what are the benefit of all these. So yeah, you should have that education, and this is very important. And anybody can go into the mall and then just see all the things. This is very common. Now, this is the third thing which I am going to tell and which I am going to share with you. Might be so many people will be laughing at me. I just want to share that what I have learned today. I know that this is not very much useful for now, but if I'll see the same video almost 2 to 3 times, 2 to 5 times after almost 7 to 8 days later, and it will give me that boost that I will have some additional knowledge before, like compared to before. For example, if you will ask me that last day, did you know about such words which you have learnt today? I'll say that last day I was not capable of knowing such things. I didn't know about these things, that in flight what are the procedures and what are the things what we call those things, and I've never know about this. I just want to say that I've improved. This is my last day and this is my today. What are the changes which have come? The thing is, I got some new things. I got to know about some new things, and I got the education. Education is very important, and I've changed my today and last day because I got some additional knowledge which has changed my last perspective and today's perspective. So this is how we have to just keep on learning new things, and it will give you the more things to like think about, and you will get to know about more and more things every day, and this is going to change your things. Like, I just want to say, might be I'm not telling such good important things in this video, but I just want to say that it is interesting. It was interesting for me. So the teacher who was like telling us that how to order coffee in any cafeteria and in any restaurant, like I don't know where to go, but yeah, the thing is how to order coffee, like for example in Starbucks, how will you order that once you reach there? Somehow, how will you manage to order? Like, it is very difficult for someone who have never gone to such place and just trying to order something like coffee, and it is very common. Like, so many people just try to show off that how we like order such coffees, and so many people are habitual of doing it because these things are part of their life. But for someone who've never gone to such place and now I'm learning about those things, now this is literally funny part for now for me. But yeah, I thought that one day will come when I will be doing these things in my regular life and I'll be enjoying those luxuries of life, but I need to do so much hard work for that. And so I thought, just it is not important that when you will go then you will learn such things. You need to learn those things before you get the opportunity to show such things and to live those things. So yeah, you should know about such things, because this is the time where if you will like escape such things, you will remain behind of such people who know about such things. So yeah, always keep yourself in front. Never ever pull yourself to the back side, because it will make you more like introvert person. It will not make you an extrovert person who can do whatever with the confidence. So yeah, I just thought that I need to take all the educational videos which are important, because if I'll not get the understanding where. So today I have not studied too much. Today I have not taken too many videos and lectures. Today I have not practiced so much. So this is almost 8:27 p.m. and I'm recording this video, and that's why you can see this shadow behind me on the wall, and I can't do anything in this case, and this will be there only. And I just want to say that thank you so much for watching my videos, and it is just kind of video where I'm just doing practice. Don't take it otherwise. I know that so many people judge my videos. I am just recording this video for the fun activity. Like, I'm just doing my practice by sharing what I have studied today, what I have not studied, what I have done in my day, what I have got to know about different things, what I have got to know about like life, how my perspective has changed. I'm just sharing all these experiences with you all, so don't take it otherwise. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Okay, see you again in the next video. Bye bye.